All right, good morning, everyone. Hi, everybody. Um, Today is my blog video. I'm just going to be explaining how my content area, which is living environment, is relevant to teaching social justice. Right before me here is a chat of a cell, of what I call a cell city. A cell city is supposed to be a city, or probably maybe a company, which has different departments, different branches, different. It's a structure which is responsible for making the city or the company a successful one. If you look right here, that's the construction site in the cell city, and that can represent the ribosome, which is where protein is being manufactured. And if you look here in the transport company, that is the Golgi apparatus. That is an organelle in the cell that helps to transport the proteins to the other relevant parts of the cells. And if you look right here, the power plant, that would be the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse which supplies the power for the day-to-day running of the cell, or in this case, this company. And the storage tanks here is the endoplasmic reticulum, which stores fats, lipids in the cell. It's one of the cell organelles, which ensures that the cell functions properly. The city hall here is where it's the administrative building. It's where instructions are given for the day-to-day running of the company or in the cell. The nucleus is where the genetic materials and all the information necessary to run the cell comes from. So that is also very important. And right here is the waste disposal plant, and this is supposed to dispose waste from this city, and in the cell that can be represented by the cell vacuole. And right here is the authorized personality. That's the cell membrane, which is the cell wall. So you cannot go into this city without having a pass coming through here. All right. So using this cell analogy, I'm just going to show you how this works when it comes to social justice. We have to understand that all these structures work hand in hand to ensure the successful, smooth running of the cell city or the cell. And in this case, the company, if one structure here out of this is broken down, it's going to be almost impossible for the company to run smoothly. So in that case, social justice, comes into play here, because everybody is playing by the same rules. Everybody, is equal. There's equity. Everybody has their own equipment to ensure that they carry out a good job, and everybody here works in harmony. Everybody helps each other in this cell city. That's it, and which is the same thing in the cell, because you can't function if one system is broken down. So in other words, everybody is their brother's keeper. They're looking out for each other. They ensure that there's equality, there's equity, there is justice, there is which translates into harmony and a smooth day-to-day running of the cell city. So using that now, the cell, what I just showed you now is just an analogy of the cell. This is the diagram of an animal cell. And we have all the same structure that I just pointed out to. These are the ribosomes. These are this is the nucleus. This is the mitochondria right here. This is the lysome. This is the This is the the endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the cell vacuole. So all these structures need each other to function. There is equality, there is equity. They've all been provided by nature with the necessary features and instruments to succeed in each of their functions. Hence, that translates into a well-organized, smooth running of a cell. And if you have a smooth running cell, a strong, healthy cell, then automatically you have a strong, healthy human being. So this is where social justice comes to play. Everybody should get a fair chance. Everybody should be equal. There should be equity. Should be no discrimination. People should do what is right at all times to ensure that our world will become a successful one. In this case, a cell, and our world will be one where there will be less conflicts. Thank you. I hope you've been able to be educated a little bit on this. See you later, guys.